Expand the Essentials menu to access key file management features. Switch to Documents to organize, review, and upload your important files. Click the plus icon button to create a new folder. Enter a name for your new folder to keep files neatly organized. Click Save to instantly create your new folder. Open the new folder to manage or add files seamlessly. Start uploading files directly into your newly organized workspace. Drag and drop files or click to select files to upload, making organization effortless. Double-click a file name to preview it. You can send the file via email or SMS later if you want, or you can download it whenever you need. Easily close the preview to return to your file list and continue working. Use the back arrow to navigate out and explore other folders or files. You can create as many folders as you want, and if you need to delete any file or folder, simply right-click and select Delete. If you receive email attachments and want to save them in your documents, you can do that as well. Simply open your email. Just hover your mouse over the attachment to see the available options. Click the Save icon to save your file in your documents. All the folders you've created will appear here. Select the folder where you want to save the file. Click Save to securely store your attachment in the chosen folder for future access.